Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add row in Google Sheets. So if you want to add like one row, it's just so easy. You can just choose the position that you want to add row. For example, I want to add row at the bottom of this row 1. I'm going to add a new row below it, so you can just block the row right here and then right click and choose insert one row below, and a row will be inserted like this. But if you want to add the row in between the data, for example, I want to add like 2 or 3 rows in between the row 8 and 9, you can just block like 3 rows above or 3 rows below, and then click right click again and choose insert 3 rows above. Okay, so that's so easy, and I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.